What's going on, everyone? This is your favorite Sarasota realtor. My name is Noah, and today we are exploring the Esplanade series here at Skye Ranch, which is made by Taylor Morrison. This is the Farnese floor plan, Farnese model, and you guys just got to check this out for yourselves. So let's go. Welcome to this 2,100 square foot model here at Esplanade. It can be a 2 or 3 bedroom home and a 2.5 bathroom plus an additional den and a 2-car garage. As you can see, it's a very open floor plan and great for family gatherings or even friend get-togethers. May just be a trend, but I absolutely have fallen in love with these white cabinets with these golden door handles. They just look fabulous and amazing. Oh, but this master closet is amazing. What I love about the Esplanade series here at Skye Ranch, they just have an amazing outdoor amenity area, and everything that they do for their outside, like this outside grill and kitchen, is fabulous. Okay, well, that concludes today's video about the Farnese model here at Esplanade in Skye Ranch. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. Just drop them in the comment section below, or you can email me or text me or call me, whatever works best for you. But till next time, I hope to see you guys all on the next video.